Let's suppose you are in a shift and someone reaches to you and saying, "Hey, I'm not access to my website. This virtual machine is not running fine. I cannot take the control or SSH it." There are so many queries you have seen or received. And how do you react to users and how do you provide the solution to the customer? It matters a lot. How do you deal with the customer? My question to you guys, when you see such problems, how do you react? Do you directly jump into the problems and start providing the solution, or you get to know about the problem first? In today's session, we will understand how can we improve our troubleshooting skills. So I'm going to share you a real time examples and scenario with you guys, which will help you a lot to provide any kinds of solution. Whether you are working as a cloud administrator or IT administrator, or you are a DevOps person or the developers or any field, this will help you a lot to improve your technical or troubleshooting skills. So guys, my name is Mithilesh Singh. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. So let's suppose there is a user Andy reads to you and saying, "Hey, I'm not able to access my website." The name is CloudX India. So first of all, when you provide solution to user, make sure you are not providing solution to user based on your assumptions. Assumption is not good. When you respond to user, make sure you verified everything from your side first. The second thing, to provide the solution to any customer, you first get to know what is the problem and what is the environment. Where are you running your applications? So you should have the basic understanding about the environment first. How can you get the environment information? You need to ask the questions. Okay? You should ask the questions. Asking question is always good. Ask right question to get the information as much as you can to get the right problems. Okay, when you ask the question, you get to know where is the problem and what is the environment. Let's suppose you ask question, where are you running these applications? She said it is on cloud. You ask which cloud? AWS cloud. Now you get to know where is this application hosted. And when you ask question, basically you isolate the problems. You are isolating the problems because the cloudxindia.com, you are not going to search on your VMware environment or the on premises. You identified this is on AWS cloud, and you also identify what is the environment, dev, stage, production, what it is. Let's suppose this is production environment. Then you ask questions, is this applications running well into the lower environment like dev, stage? She said yes. Is there any recent changes? No. So asking question, basically you are identifying the problem. You are isolating where is the problems. From where are you accessing this application? From the on-premises network, VPN, or external network? She said I'm external user. I'm trying to access it from the external network. Okay. So I'm in corporate network. Let me try to access it. Well, you tried, but you are also not able to access this cloudxindia.com. So you suspect there is a problem with the applications, services, or your infrastructure. Okay. Now you got to know the problem is not with the external user or internal user. This is a overall problems. It is impacting to the whole users. Now what you do, you go and verify your applications first, whether your load balancer is running fine or not. The load balancer is internal or internet facing, to understand whether it is external load balancer or internet balancer. So you verified, you isolated the issue again. This is a internet facing load balancer, so it is a external website. You further verify the security group of the load balancer, whether it is allowing port 80 and 443 for all user or not. You verified, okay, the port 443 and 80 are allowed. You again isolated the problems. Then go and verify whether the problem is with the virtual machines like application server. Is health status is fine to this load balancer of this virtual machine or not? You verified the health status of this virtual machine is fine, but still user are not able to access. If you see in this design, you can see this is a three-tier applications: load balancer, applications, and the database. The next verification is go and verify your database. Is database services running fine or not? You verified that database is 100% full. Okay? If database is 100% full, user is hitting to this load balancer, it come to the application and then it's connecting to your database. And database is not responding. What happened? It will not respond to the user as well. Now you got to know where is the problem. Okay? You isolated the problems. You ask questions to get the information of environment and you also isolated the problems. Now it's the time to connect the dots. Okay? If the problem is with the load balancer, to whom you should involve. As a cloud administrator, you have to work on it. If the problem is with the virtual machine, to whom you need to involve. You need to involve the applications team to verify it. If the problem is with the security group of load balancer or the virtual machine, you need to involve the cloud administrator. Okay? Now the problem is with the database. What you will respond to user, I can see there is 100% utilization of the database. Maybe disk is 100% full or the utilization is 100% and it's not responding to the applications. So what you have to do is you have to now engage the right team to connect the dots. Where is the problems? The moment you engage to the applications team and the database team, they will verify where is the problems. You engage application team to verify whether they are able to hit to this database from the application or not, and engage the database to verify why it is 100% full. The moment you engage the right person, you basically hand over the problems in the right hand. Okay, this is how you should always respond. You get to know where is the problem because you ask questions. Okay, you isolated the problem, you connected the dots and engaged the team. Now the right person can provide the right fix and application will be functional again once again. So guys, this is how we should identify the problems and we should deal with the customer and provide the solution. And this approach is one of the best approach you can apply anywhere, whether you are network person, you are operations in the Windows, Unix or applications team, or as a cloud administrator. This will always give you the right and broader area to think about the problems and provide the better solutions. So guys, thanks for watching and hope you enjoy this video. Please share your feedback so that I can improve the content and the videos quality. And please share, subscribe my channel and give it big thumbs up.